See I'm boxing in your face, but by right, me go deal with it. Make the world know say on a vampire in a dance hall. When I see the youth them arise, Lord the youth, DJ Mac, me I call your name Lord DJ Mac a panda.
So as on all supposed to know already, DJ Mac and Teejay, the dancehall entertainer, isn't good. Them not on the same leaf. You see me? Teejay this up DJ Mac brawling. Yeah man, this him up and offer him some box. Me need to talk on that, you see me? Plus, one video I circulate on the media where you have this youth that try to rob a police, but he never knows a police until it's too late. Yeah man, really have to touch on that topic there. So remember, subscribe to 4K Shell Energy if you're new to the channel. Relax, I'm gonna get right into it.
Oh no, catch a rocket with the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side. Sipping any and a rocket.
But you can't before 5 minutes and get it. How old is that? So you want more?
You know what team say now? I shoot him.
How are these? Yo!
Man start, sorry. Me know me have fun now. My son start doing things. We start me want to with the beast. Come here, you better fuck with that.
Yo, them youth don't want to work, you know, for your subscriber. Them youth just want to grow on. Is either them big or them teeth it. You see me? Is either them hold up a youth feet or kill them feet. You see me? Them youth don't want to work and they don't look good at all. They look like say it's a little youth. You see me? But he run up on the wrong man because basically they must say it's a police, but the youth in a plain clothes. You see me? So you wouldn't know say it's a police unless him tell you. You see me? But them little youth nowadays be a subscriber, them don't want to work. Them just rather walk around and beg. And I think here the police said if the youth they ask him for your 5 bills, he would have give him. You see me? And I just that, you know, sometimes you could have just asked somebody for your 5 bills and make them tell you yes, make them tell you no. Then a boy you could rob him because the police could have turned around and kill him, or you see me? He could have go other way than how it go on right now. So enough people that look on we and feel like say we are all millions because we are work. But at the end of the day, them don't know the struggles that we are go through, because at the end of the day we are subscriber. Who love work? Who love to get up out of them bed every day and go them a go work? Nobody don't love work, but we do it at the end of the day because we need stuff, we need to survive in the streets, you see me? And look for me now, me have to go work, plus make video. So only can watch it and for my beneficial, you see me? But at the end of the day, I don't complain, I do it because I'm make a benefit off it at the end of the day. But them youth, them a walk, them a beat, them alright, them too, and I work fine. Why not go find a work? You see me? But I'm glad to the police handle it the right way, you see me? And every time you have to end in violence or blood, you see me? Yeah man. So only can't even think about that. Because trust me, them youth, yo, something do them. Them not believe in our work. You see me? Yeah man, so that alone me have to say on the topic. Let me know when you think about it. You see me? Moving on.
To youth to produce speed off and you give the youth recoup contract when the youth build the rhythm bad man. You're too fuck up, bro. And you come make it look like say, but you see through before you and your little friend them. Company let come make it look like so you can program up thing. Me should even do this, me should just see and box in your face.
So as you can see, we are subscriber. Teejay a burn out DJ Mac. Yeah man, brawling. Offer DJ Mac some box in him face and a bag of things. You see me? It's alleged that DJ Mac wants drift. Like he want to claim drift himself. I say him like him alone put in the work on drift. And Teejay make it known say Panda is the owner of drift, not DJ Mac. You see me? But what me can say is that I don't rate the style where Teejay say I'm going to offer DJ Mac box in his face, because Teejay also did this already with a promoter that goes by the name of Sking, not the Jamaican artist. The promoter Sking. Yeah man. Teejay did a bad up Sking on the media. You see me, and I say he's a bad man and Sking better watch himself. Things like that. I'm not getting into it. So I know the first Teejay I do something like this, but I not agree with it. You see me? I not agree with that style. And I always see these things about producers, promoters, I always see these news about them. But it come like all of the artists them are saints, because I know say the artists them do things under the quiet, where them behave like say just the promoters or the producers. You see me? The artists them also do things, but it's just that the promoters them or the producers them, they now come out come speak about it, just like how the artists them would have go up on a live, draw them crowd and talk about what's going on. You see me? But me not rate the move there from Teejay. I swear the entertainer could have do it way better than this. But me not rate that move there. Me rate the fact say him a give the credit to Panda, because a Panda own the song. Me rate that. You see me? But when you go offer somebody else box in the face because you claim to say a bad man, me not rate that move there. You see me? So much the entertainer could have deal with it way better than that. Me just rate the fact say yo, he give credit to Panda because he must say a Panda own drift. You see me? So I don't know how true it is about DJ Maka try to claim drift. I don't know, maybe it is, maybe it's not. But I hope say I don't reach to that point where anything will kick off over a song. You see me? So be a subscriber. I know what you think about that. As I say, I rate where Teejay offer box in the face because he claims he's a bad man. But otherwise, that's what I know what you think about it. That's my honest opinion on it. So remember, subscribe to 4K Shell Energy if you're new to the channel. Catch you in our next one. You see me? I want the buttons already.